my car today. I have to drive this back to my parents' house. I gotta drive an hour and a half in this, so, but it feels good. It was easy, so I'm excited now to figure out how to open this. Wow, I figured out how to open it. All right, car full and the truck is full. It's a sad, bittersweet day. Completely empty. Hey, we are in the truck, getting ready to drive back. Well, we're getting to Denny's first, and then we're gonna drive back to my parents' house to move all my furniture. Here we go, adventure time. I know it's dark and you don't see me, but I'm so damn tired right now. But I'm bringing the truck back. It's like 9 o'clock or almost 9 o'clock. Very full, productive day